Hello and welcome back everyone. This is Login Helps and we are back with another tutorial. In this video, we are going to show you how you can delete your Netflix account history. Your Netflix account profile saves your viewing activity so that it can provide you recommendations and also save your viewing progress so that you can continue watching from wherever you left off. In order to remove any movies or series from this list, you will need to go into your web browser and then from the account settings, clear your viewing activity. Let's go ahead and remove a series and movie from this Netflix account for the sake of this video. Let's open up our web browser first and then go into netflix.com. Log into your account if necessary by using your email address and your password. Then just point towards your account icon at the top right corner and click on Account. Scroll down towards Profile and Parental Control Settings and then click on the drop-down button at the right side of your profile. Now just click on the Viewing Activity section. Now from the Viewing Activity page, you will be able to remove any movie or series from your watching history by clicking on the Hide from Viewing History button at the right side. Now you will be told that this particular episode will be removed from your viewing history. If you wish to remove all of the viewing history for this entire series, then you can click on the Hide Series button. You can also do the same with any movie or series that you wish to remove from your viewing history. Once you are done, you can click on Back to your account or the Netflix button at the top left corner to go back into your Netflix homepage. After a little while, you will see that the series or movie that you have removed will not be shown in the Continue Watching section. So that is how you can delete your Netflix history. If you like this content, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.